Are you looking? As the pace of modern life grows ever faster, more people are seeking peaceful sanctuaries right at home, and tabletop fountains are quickly becoming a favorite choice. These compact, decorative water features offer a calming ambience ideal for workspaces, bedrooms, or living rooms. In this guide, we've evaluated the best tabletop fountains based on water flow, build quality, lighting, design appeal, and overall value. List number: Wichimi Water Fountains Indoor Waterfall Fountain Tabletop Fountain with LED light, water feature, indoor zen. The Wichimi Indoor Waterfall Fountain brings serene elegance into any space. Designed with a cascading rock structure and built-in LED lighting, this tabletop fountain creates a soothing atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation or meditation. Its durable polyresin material mimics natural stone, while the gentle trickle of water helps mask background noise. The included submersible pump ensures quiet operation and consistent water flow. Whether on a desktop or side table, the Wichimi fountain adds a zen touch to your decor. The LED lights enhance nighttime ambiance, making it a standout choice for bedrooms. Easy to set up and compact in size, it's a great starter option for anyone exploring indoor water features. List number: Tabletop Fountain Metal Lotus Circulating Fountain Water Feature for Zen Home Decor. Warm. For those who want art and tranquility in one, the Metal Lotus Circulating Fountain is a stunning piece. Featuring a delicately designed lotus flower in warm metallic tones, it blends spiritual symbolism with calming motion. The circulating water mimics natural flow, producing soft, meditative sounds. This fountain fits well in both modern and traditional decor, acting as both a functional fountain and an eye-catching centerpiece. Crafted from metal with durable finishes, it offers a premium aesthetic that doesn't look mass-produced. It's a great choice for small meditation spaces, home offices, or even gift-giving. List number 3: Spinning Orb Rock Cascading Tabletop Fountain Zen Meditation Indoor Waterfall Feature. The Spinning Orb Rock Cascading Fountain combines movement, sound, and light into one harmonious design. At the center of this unique fountain is a crystal-clear orb that gently spins as water flows beneath it, powered by the continuous current. The natural rock-like design offers a rustic charm, perfect for Zen meditation corners or nature-inspired spaces. Soft LED lighting illuminates the orb, creating a mesmerizing effect, especially in dim lighting. It's made from lightweight yet durable materials and is easy to assemble and maintain. This fountain isn't just a decor piece, it's an interactive visual experience that can help you decompress after a long day. List number: Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain Home Decor Soothing Sound Machine Automatic Pump Deep Basin. A trusted name in wellness, Homedics delivers with this reliable and aesthetically pleasing tabletop fountain. It features a tiered design that lets water gently cascade into a deep basin, providing a white noise-like effect that's ideal for stress relief or concentration. This fountain is especially popular with office workers and students who use it as a sound machine while working or studying. The automatic pump runs quietly and efficiently, and the compact footprint makes it easy to place on desks or nightstands. While it doesn't have LED lighting, the focus here is on simplicity and sound therapy. List number: Alpine Corporation WCT202 Indoor Tabletop Tiered Water Fountain featuring 3 candles. The Alpine Corporation WCT202 stands out for its unique combination of water and fire elements. This 3-tiered tabletop fountain features space for 3 real or battery-operated candles, creating a soft, romantic ambiance. The flowing water and flickering flames together offer a multi-sensory relaxation experience. Made from durable resin with a natural stone-like appearance, it fits well in cozy reading nooks or as a living room centerpiece. Though it's more decor-focused than some Zen models, it excels in atmosphere and warmth. Ideal for those looking to elevate their interior space with something different.